have just gotten onto basically connector path between Cinnamon Pass near where San Juan County Road 2 is. This basically just taking us north to be able to meet up with Engineer Pass. Just figured to make a short little video on this one. We packed up from camp last night. Awesome place that we stayed. We just want to make sure we got some better views tonight. We're gonna run into Ouray, resupply with some stuff, maybe grab some steaks for dinner. And we're back. The GoPro died. But yeah, we're gonna have some steaks for dinner tonight, maybe. Show you some more Chris cooking. He's our, I guess we'll call him our mini Kent Rollins. But yeah, this will be a nice short little jaunt just to get up to Engineer.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A nomad passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Looks like there's a line all the way up there.
Yeah.
We watched the guy that's doing the reconstruction of Cerro Gordo on YouTube. He's got a ton of followers. It's crazy. But one of the things that he is always looking for in all of the mines are blue jeans.
Wrangler blue jeans.
Blue jeans?
Old Wrangler blue jeans.
What they did is, so they had their clothes that they would wear, and then once you got down into the mine, they had like a, not really a changing area, but I guess you could call it like a locker room area. And they would put blue jeans, like the Wrangler blue jeans would be put on over the top of their regular clothes. So then whenever they would get down mining for the day, they'd go back to the little area, the little prep area, take their blue jeans off, and then go back up out of the mine. But there was somebody at some point, multiple people have, but that have found old Wrangler jeans from the 1800s, like some of the first Wrangler jeans made, and there was a pair of them that was still very well preserved, and it sold for like $1.8 million or something.
Wow.
And he doesn't want to sell them. He wants to collect everything that he finds and put it on display, because Cerro Gordo was one of the towns that helped to basically funnel people into California and helped to establish a lot of the area that was around it.
Man, that's doing it right.
Yeah, it's cool because he's got like the general store that was there. It's still like, it's all still set up just like a general store, but all of the like glass cases and shelving and all that kind of stuff, he basically just uses it to display all the stuff that he finds. So like he's gone through and he's found a bunch of like old bottles and, you know, just all kinds of random, and he just basically displays it all in the general store. And then there are different books and stuff, like, you know, the log books and stuff that they kept from there that are still, you know, at the store, and he's still got those there. It's pretty neat.
And it's cool to hear that, you know, the miners had like a little Walter White setup, right? It's like, hey, get up here, now get into some of these clothes so you don't destroy your dailies, because you probably only got 1 or 2 pair of clothes anyway.
Exactly. This place is pretty bonkers. What the hell?
What is that, Freya? I'm sitting here trying to figure out how they go.
Clamping?
Looks like it.
Off to the left.
Lucky Luck mine is over here. We just passed it, and then Blacksmith mine is over here as well.
Alright, that is it for the little connector trail we've got here. Coming up on the sign that shows us that we've got Ouray, if we continue to the left, Engineer Pass, which takes you to Lake City. If we go to the right here, like I said, we're going to head to Ouray. We will be on Engineer probably tomorrow, so we'll video that for you guys. I know we've already done it once, but we like to do it again just because, you know, things change, and it's been just about a year since we've been here. So we will catch up with you guys later.
Holy.
They're everywhere. They're all the way
over
up
the
the
road.
mountain. They're all over the road. They're everywhere.
Oh my god. Sure Frey's gonna bark. You see that? She's like, what the f are
Those are
those?
down by here.
I can go into it. Wow, there are so many.
Yeah.
We're standing in the road.
They're looking at us.
This is just like being in Scotland.
Just sheep everywhere.
Oh, baby, run! This one's gonna cross the road.
There's so many. Now that one's pregnant. That was a fat one. They're all marked.
Yeah,
Look at this little one right
that
here.
one's got a bell.
Beautiful.
Oh, here they come, babe. Hold on.
You think we're here to feed you? Think we're here to feed you?
That was so cool.
Pop one off and we can have some mutton tonight.
Lamb is gross.
Put one down real quick, throw it on the hood.
You can just say that you hit it.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's another mine that's up
You know
here.
what? That was a little bit cooler than seeing like a moose. Maybe.
That was so cool.
It would have been a lot cooler if they were just wild and didn't belong to somebody, but still cool.
Right there?
Yeah, you can see the tailings come from up there.
Maybe that's the entrance? I don't know. Because it was a lot closer than the other one was. So that's gotta be it.
I don't know.
Because if they entered from there and they went up, it would make sense. Because then all the tailing would come back down. There's more over there.
Yeah.
That looks like it's... What is it called? Something Queen Mine.
You can see something way up on the top.
Yeah. Birch? Bridge? Queen Mine? I don't know. You see the opening down there. There's two of them.
Further out. Mine to the left is something or other Queen Mine. You can see it's got two entrances to it.
British.
And a lot of shit up top too.
All British Queen Mine. allowed to go in those.
Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, something new.
I like how they have all these mines marked on the map. That's cool.
Oh, there was a camping spot up there to the left.
Yeah, it looked like there's a 4Runner or something up there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way.
Found somebody that needed help off on the side. Apparently hit a rock. And now his tire needs to be patched. But fortunately, we have a patch kit from Power Tank. So thankfully they sent us one and we're able to help somebody off. Thanks so much for watching. If you would like to find out more about RockSolidRig, make sure you check the description down below, where you can find a link to our website where we provide you with where to find our merch, such as decals, shirts, and so much more. Until next time, y'all just keep on jeeping.